Hey everyone, Sam here from Sugar Spun Run, and today I'm showing you how to make s'mores cereal bars. I love this super easy summertime no-bake recipe for s'mores cereal bars. I've been making this for years and of course have made some modifications to the recipe along the way. Today I'm sharing my super simple version, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, you can make this recipe in the microwave, but I much prefer to do it on the stovetop. So we're gonna head over to the stovetop and you are going to need a large pot. Now to this pot, we are going to add 5 tablespoons of salted butter, 12 ounces or 2 cups of milk chocolate chips, and a 1/3 cup of light corn syrup. Now we're going to set our stovetop to low heat, and we're going to stir everything together just until the butter and the chocolate are melted. Once your chocolate and your butter are nicely melted and your mixture is smooth, you're going to want to add your marshmallows. Now for this recipe, you're going to need 15 ounces of marshmallows, which is actually 1.5 bags of mini marshmallows. We are going to add 1 bag directly into the pot. And we're going to reserve that separate half of a bag, that 5 ounces or about 2 cups, to use later. We're going to stir these marshmallows in until they're coated with the chocolate and they're beginning to melt, and then we're going to add our vanilla extract. You just need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now continue to stir everything together, and remember, you want to keep your heat on low. Do not turn up your heat, and you're just going to stir everything together until the marshmallows are completely melted. Now we're going to want to add our cereal. You will need 7 cups of graham cracker cereal for this recipe. Stir this in until it's nicely coated with your chocolate marshmallow mixture. Now, as soon as all of this cereal is coated with chocolate, you're going to want to add your remaining marshmallows. Now, I usually don't add all of them. I usually only add about 1.5 cups at this point. I like to reserve a few for topping. Now, at this point, these marshmallows we just added do not need to be melted. You just want them to also be nicely coated with the chocolate, and you want everything to be nicely combined. All right, as soon as everything is nicely coated with chocolate, we are going to want to grab a 9 by 13 baking dish. You're going to want to lightly grease this with butter. I just rubbed butter into the bottom and up the sides of the pan. We're going to pour our cereal mixture into this pan. Now use a spatula or a spoon to just smooth out this mixture. And grab those remaining marshmallows, and we're just going to scatter them evenly over the surface. These cereal bars are going to be a little bit messy while they're still warm, so you're going to want to let them cool completely before you cut in. Or if you don't mind them messy, you can go right ahead and dig in. My preference actually is to put them in the fridge. I think they taste really good when they're cold. And that is how simple it is to make these easy s'mores cereal bars. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and if you try this one out, please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. This is so good. Hey, if you guys enjoyed today's s'mores cereal bar recipe video, I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, here are a few others you might like.